Now, some of you who may be new to Linux might have questions like, should you switch over to Linux from Windows? And if you should you wish to do that, what distribution to try? I'm going to answer that question very quickly. It basically depends on you, what your use case is, what you wish to do day to day, what software programs you need to use, what hardware you have connected to your devices. And that is a decision not to take lightly. And for me, I do have a use case to use Linux, Mac OS and Windows, because not everything I need to works on all three of those. So should you wish to use Linux as a daily driver, you need to think extremely carefully about what you wish to do and about what your use case is. I'm personally not a PC gamer, so that's not a factor in my decision. And the only thing I can advise is, first of all, get familiar with any the distributions yourself using Oracle VirtualBox and download and install them on a virtual machine. Get an idea of a look and feel. Try some software. And if you're brave enough to go to to install Linux directly on hardware, then it's best to choose a distribution that makes it easy for you to install Linux alongside your Windows operating system. And it'll give you a chance to switch between both of them. But yeah, but if you're new to Linux and you want to get to learn about Linux and get into it, the safest way is to use Oracle VirtualBox on Windows, and maybe try an easy distribution such as Ubuntu 22 or one of its derivatives such as Pop! OS or Zorin. For server operating systems, what I'm showing you today is a really good approach to take as well. So I'm going to go back to this. It's now